Now there is an exercise where you have to change the infinitive and you place it with gerund. That's what we are going to do. For example, to sleep is necessary. That is, and to sleep it is an infinitive. And you will replace to sleep infinitive and you're going to use gerund in that place. Then you will say sleeping is necessary. Okay? So rewrite the sentences using gerund in the place of the infinitive. That's what we are going to do. Rewrite each sentence. Rewrite each sentence. Rewrite each sentence given, each sentence using. Rewrite each sentence using a gerund. In the place, in place of the infinitive. That's what we are going to do. We are going to replace the infinitive with a gerund. For example, the first one we have is to sleep is necessary. To sleep is necessary. To sleep is necessary, and then this to sleep, that is the infinitive. Okay? Now we are changing that infinitive and go put gerund. So we'll say sleeping. So we'll put sleeping. Sleeping is necessary. Is necessary. Okay? So what did we do? We put sleeping is necessary. Okay. Next. People do not like to work hard. Yes, people do not. People do not like. People do not like to work. To work hard. Hard. People do not like to work hard. Now, to work. That is the infinitive, and we are changing into gerund. That is, people do not like working hard. So what the answer? People do not like working hard. People do not like to work working. Working hard. See the change we have done? People do not like to work hard, working hard, gerund. Okay, so here you have, what we have done is, we have done this is the gerund, this is the gerund. You saw? Changing into gerund. Now, next, third sentence. We will do a third sentence. Third sentence I have here is, she hates to study. She hates to study. Infinitive. She hates to study. To study is the infinitive. To study. To sleep. To work. To study. Okay. Now, how do you change the infinitive into gerund? She hates studying. Answer, she hates. To study, we will change into she hates studying. She hates studying. She hates studying. Studying is gerund. Next one. He loves to sing. He loves to sing. To sing is a infinitive. To sing is infinitive. To sing. We're going to change the to sing into gerund. The answer is, he loves singing. He loves singing. He loves singing. And that's it. He loves singing. That is a gerund. Another sentence I have here is, fifth one. To see is to believe. To see is to believe. To see is to believe. So you have to believe is the infinitive, and we're going to change it into gerund. So we'll say seeing is believing. To see is to believe. To see. We're going to change to see. We're going to change it to gerund. Seeing is believing. Answer, seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. So if we have here seeing, that's a gerund. Next sentence, we have another sentence. Sixth one. Okay. To give is better than to take. To give. To give is better. Is better than. To give is better than to take. Okay? To give is better than to take. And here you have to infinitive. Here it is to give. You have to give and to take. So, how will you change this? You will say giving is better than taking. Giving. To give, you change it to giving. Giving is better than taking. So in this sentence you have two gerunds. Well, what is that? You have giving and you have taking. Okay? And in the next sentence we have here is seventh one. Radha taught me to dance. Radha taught me me to dance. To dance is an infinitive. To dance is an infinitive, and we're going to change to dance into gerund, and it becomes, you can say, Radha taught me dancing. Radha taught me to dance, dancing. Radha taught me dancing. So we change that into gerund, dancing. Okay, another sentence for you. To tell a lie is a sin. To tell a lie. To tell a lie. To tell a lie is a sin. To tell. So you have the to tell is the infinitive here, and we change it into gerund. Telling lies. Very good. Telling. Telling a lie is a sin. Telling a lie is a sin. So we have changed the to tell into telling, change it into gerund. Now, one more sentence. What I hate most is gossip. What I hate. What I hate. What I hate most is gossip. What I hate most is gossip. So you have gossip is the infinitive. And we'll change that gossip into, we will say, what I hate most is gossiping. What I hate most is gossiping. What I hate most is gossiping. Okay? What I hate most is gossiping. Finally, we have a last sentence for you. The last sentence says, to collect coins is his hobby. To collect. To collect coins is his hobby. To collect is the infinitive. To collect. And we're changing the to collect infinitive into gerund. We'll say collecting coins. Collecting. Collecting coins is his hobby. His hobby. So we come to the end of the exercise. What have we done here? We tried to change the infinitive and we filled in with gerund. Filled in with gerund. Rewrite each sentence using the gerund in the place of the infinitive. In the first sentence we have here, to sleep is the infinitive, and we put sleep. To sleep is necessary, sleeping is necessary. People do not like to work hard. To work is the infinitive, so we change and we put working. People do not like working hard. Here, to study is the infinitive. She hates to study. And we change to study into studying. She hates studying, that's the gerund. He loves to sing, that's infinitive. And we change, he loves singing, that's a gerund. To see is the infinitive. To see is to believe. And we change and made into gerund. Seeing is believing. And here, to give is the infinitive. To give is better than to take. To take is also infinitive. So we change. Giving is better than taking. We have two gerunds there. Rather taught me to dance. To dance is infinitive. Rather taught me dancing. That's a gerund. To tell is the infinitive. To tell a lie is a sin. We made it into gerund. Telling a lie is a sin. What I hate most is gossip. What I hate most is gossip. Gossip is the infinitive. What I hate most is gossiping. To collect is the infinitive. To collect coins is his hobby. Collecting is the gerund. Coins is his hobby.